Good afternoon to all traders around the world. Uh, Here am I again. I'm gonna give you my forecast for next week. This is gonna be on tomorrow, May 18 until May 22. Uh, okay, let's start on the New Zealand Canadian. New Zealand Canadian. We are expecting of a going downtrend, still continuous of downtrend here. As you can see, the consolidation right there, as what will as what been left last Friday, that is going down. It will continue on going down, and consolidation will be continuously going down. So we are not expecting any uptrend on this New Zealand Canadian. Okay, and then let's go to the Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. As you can see on my chart, which I already drawn the arrow going up, so there will be a continuous of this consolidation right there, but it's gonna be a smaller down trend that continues for the consolidation. But we are expecting for the next move which is going to be the uptrend, or that is where we're gonna wait for the sell. If I am you, I'm just going to ignore this one because it's just only a short downtrend for the continuous of the consolidation. But we have to wait for the uptrend, which is a longer one, until the reach the resistance from this area. Okay, that's for the Euro USD. And then we go to USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. Sorry for this one because I'm using the trend line for the chart. I was because I was trying to check for the support and resistance on this chart. So what I see, there was been an uptrend of a correction uptrend last week on this area, and this will going to continue for the smaller uptrend and downtrend. So there will be a still continuous of consolidation in this area, but it's not really a long one, just only a short one. But once this was been finished, if this consolidation will be finished, we have to wait for the long uptrend. It will happen this couple of days, and this is where we're gonna put our buy. This will going up until the resistance on this area. This is the 109.230, and this is where we're gonna put our buy trade. Uh, if I am you, I'm just going to ignore this small consolidation right here, unless you are really a professional one and you usually experience some scalping. So, but for me, and my advice, just ignore these things. We have to wait for the long uptrend going back again to the resistance from this area. Okay, that's for the USD JPY. And yeah, there's a lot of lines here because I'm trying to analyze the support and resistance on these things. And you can see from the hour 4 what happened to the chart. So that's what we are expecting a USD JPY, and then we're going to Australian USD. Australian USD. By the way, I'm congratulating all those people who followed my forecast last week, which is actually 70% been accurate, and others are not. So, but still, it's a good thing, because you see that it's a 70% accurate of my last week analysis was really good, and congratulations to all people who follow that analysis of mine, and I'm really happy for those people who just profited last week. All right. Okay, now we go to the USD JPY. USD JPY is actually there is a consolidation and a correction come out here last week, and this will be continuous for a short down and a short uptrend. Small consolidations will be continue for like a couple of couple of up and down, and then after that we're gonna wait. We have to wait for the long uptrend that will happen. It is really likely will happen. So if I am you, I'm just going to wait for this uptrend, the long one, which is will going to continue until it reach the resistance from this area, which is the 109.230, and this will be a good profit. So as an advice on you, just like what I'm always telling, like you have to put your take profit somewhere on this area, just to be wise. Once it reached this take profit, where I put this one, which is 108.5454, it's a sure win for you that you have already taken the profit in here, because we still, what I'm telling you, it's not really an accurate thing that you have to wait for, that you have to wait until it reaches the resistance, because sometimes uh it's not sometimes, it always happen like it doesn't really going to reach the resistance. It will change rapidly, like it changes to go, it will it it will change from going up before reaching the resistance. It's still going to pull down, uh, because forex is what we call it, unpredictable. So we always have to be wise on every move what we're doing every time we trade our money. So on my advice, just take a profit which somewhere before it reach the resistance from there. So it's sure, you have a sure win-win situation. Okay, you already have your money once it reach this one. But still up to you. It's your decision. If you want to go on and wait for until it reaches the resistance, then it's your risk. Okay. So after, and then we go to the other one, which is the pounds and USD. Pounds USD. Pounds against US dollar. Again, I'm using this trend line for my analysis. And so what happened is, last week there was a downtrend of the consolidation that we have seen, and it will continue on this consolidation until it reached the support. And we are expecting that there will be a pullback, a long pullback, going up until it reached this our resistance, which is we are going to wait for this one, because this is a long one. So just what I'm telling you, just try to ignore this one and wait for the long uptrend, and always remember to put your stop loss, okay, just to protect your money. And once again, always be wise every time you trade your money. Take your take profit, and then put your stop loss, uh, just for the safe of your money. Okay, let's go again. Let's go now to the pounds. Nah, we'll just go to the pounds against JPY. Pounds against JPY. That's the one. Okay. As we have seen, there was been a formation of triangle here, and it already broke last week, the triangle, and it went down, a retracement. Uh, and we're expecting that this week, this coming week, there will be an uptrend again. This uptrend will be a long one also. So we're expecting that this will be reaching, it will reach the from this area, it will reach this resistance from this area, the 135.258, and if it will going to break that resistance, it might continue until this resistance from this 144.554. We still been hoping that it will break this resistance once it goes up, and it will be a good profit for everyone if it's going to continue. Okay, so you see that triangle is already been broken, so we're expecting this will going up. Now we go to the pounds Canadian. Pounds Canadian is this is likely to go up on next week. Okay, so we'll just wait until there will this downtrend. Okay, let's see. We'll just wait for this downtrend to reach until the resistance, the support from here, and then the next move, it will be going to be the uptrend. So this will be a good profit for everyone. All we need to do is just to wait, have a patience on it, and surely it's going up. This is going for a pullback up until this resistance. Okay, there is actually a true resistance from this area. So this one is another resistance, and this one is another resistance. Okay, once hopefully it will break those resistance once it's going to start to go up, and once it breaks all this resistance, we're expecting that it will reach until this last resistance from here. Okay, and we are expecting for this one, and this is gonna be the buy trade. So all of you guys, that's what we are telling you. Forex, we should have the long patience for everything if you want to be successful in getting the profit. But this one is really likely going up next week. All right. So that's the pounds. And then we're going to the US dollar against Canadian. US dollar against Canadian. Where's that? That's the one. Is this the one? No, not this one. US dollar against Canadian. Mm, okay. Yeah, this is the one. US dollar Canadian. US dollar Canadian. There was a triangle pattern that happened here last week and last few weeks ago. So we see that this already reached the resistance from the triangle that was been left last Friday. And we're still expecting that it will go up until this resistance from this one. This is 1.41397. And we are expecting after that break, it will, that break from the triangle, and then it reach this resistance from there. We are already expecting a sell. It's a downtrend. It's a sell one. So what I'm telling you is just be patient, wait for it. If just ignore this one that's going up on next day, on the next coming days, tomorrow, we have to wait for the long downtrend after this. This is the long downtrend, and then be ready for your trade sell. It's gonna be a sure win. It's gonna be a big profit. But I'm telling you, it's just like a ladder. It's gonna be like a ladder going down. It's not straight away. It's going down for sharp down. It's gonna be like a ladder going down, but it's a likely going down. Okay, and then now we have to move to the U.S. dollar Canadian. You have U.S. dollar Canadian, and then we go to the U.S. dollar Swiss. US dollar Swiss, I mean, for our chart. And as you can see, all the trends line here, there's all the trend line is actually the support and resistance that I did for analyzing the move of this market. And as we can see, there was a form of triangle again on this area. And we are still expecting on tomorrow and couple of days that it will continues going up until the resistance from this one from 0.97473, or it will going to break the resistance from the triangle. And after that, the next move will going to be a downtrend. This will going to be a downtrend until it will reach this resistance from the support of this one. So this is gonna be a long one going down, and this is where we're gonna put our sell trade. As long as the market will not going to change, but this is 80% that's going down. Okay. And then we go to we are now in CHF. We go to the pound CHF. The pound CHF on the daily. Well, this is actually, we know already what will happen on the pound CHF. This is going to be an uptrend, a long one, until it reaches the resistance from this area, which is the 1.28256. This is 90% that is going up. Okay, this is going to be a pullback, a long one. So all we have to do is just to wait for it, wait for the confirmation. Once this, the one that been left last Friday, that's the candle that is bearish, until it reach the support from here, either the one, and there's a two support from this area. So either it will reach the support, the 1.7191 or the 1.6921. The next move will going to be the uptrend. The uptrend is where we're gonna trade our money. Okay, this we're gonna put our buy trade. Okay, and then now last one is we go to the US dollar. US dollar, gold US dollar. This, according to my forecast here, my analysis, it's still going to continue the uptrend consolidation. It will keep on continuous doing this one, and we still haven't seen any move that it will going downtrend. So this will be continuously happening. And it's really good also to trade your money on this area, because you see how long is the downward and the upward, uh, following the trend line from this consolidation upward. So that's what we are expecting on this one. Okay, that's the only forecast that I can give you right now, and hopefully you will be going to profit on this forecast. And again, I'm congratulating all those people who followed my last forecast last week, and I know that I can see all the smiles on your faces, like you profited a lot. And hopefully this forecast again for next week will be likely to become 70 to 80% accurate. But I'm not telling you like this is 100%, all right? So I'm just only giving you an idea on what will happen on the market next week. And always remember, Forex is a very risky things if you have no plan or no analysis before you trade your money. So you have to be careful and always be vigilant. And what is happening on the forex, uh, because we are not the one who's actually controlling these moves. It's only the big banks, not us. They're the one who decide if they want to put the downtrend or uptrend, whatever they want to. So just always be vigilant and always check the market every day. And again, please like my video, uh, subscribes on my YouTube channel, so you can get more forecasts on the next more weeks. And hopefully it will help you to be successful and profit more. And always remember that trading, we sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, but we are trying to make everyone win on this situation of trading. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you again. Be successful, and hopefully always thumbs up for everything. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you again. Bye.